Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel Developing Applications for Samsung Tizen TVs. My name is Devendra and I am a member of Samsung Smart TV SDK team. In this video, we'll check how to set up the development environment. To make the application development easy, Samsung provides Tizen TV SDK. At the time of creation of this video, the latest version of the SDK was 2.1.2, but now the latest version may be different. To download the SDK, open www.samsungdforum.com website on any browser. Click on download. You will see two sections, Samsung Smart TV and Samsung Tizen TV. The Samsung Smart TV section has information about SDKs for older TVs, so you can ignore that. Select SDK download from Samsung Tizen TV section. This page has all the information related to the SDK setup. It is important to check the pre-setting requirements which can be found by scrolling the page. The SDK uses Java, so make sure that the right version of the Java is installed in the PC as mentioned here. The SDK comes with a TV emulator. If you are writing a simple web application without any TV specific API usage, you do not need to use the TV emulator. But to test TV specific APIs on the PC, you will need the TV emulator. To use TV emulator, there are some hardware specific requirements. For example, your CPU should support virtualization technology. Fortunately, these days, all the latest desktop CPUs are equipped with virtualization technology. But still, you can verify it by checking your CPU specification. Also, you should have the latest graphics driver installed in your PC. Additionally, there are some platform specific requirements and minimal system configuration requirements. Please check them. Making sure that your PC is good enough to use the SDK, download the SDK by selecting your platform specific installer from the list of Tizen SDK installers. After downloading, launch the installer and start installing the SDK. After successful installation, the installer gives you an option to run the update manager. Run the update manager. The update manager shows available SDK tools. You can install the tools you need depending on the type of applications you want to develop. For Samsung Tizen TV applications, you need Samsung TV extensions. You can see it in extras section. If you are unable to see extras section, probably the update manager is unable to connect to the internet. This may happen if your network requires proxy settings. You can set the proxy settings using settings icon. After the update manager is set up, we have to install extension certificate and Samsung TV extensions. There are two ways to install Samsung TV extensions. First method is to let update manager download and install everything. The second method involves two extra steps for the user. The user downloads TV extension image and links it to the update manager. As it may sound, the first method is easier and recommended, but it works well only when the user has good internet connection. In the second method, there are two extra steps for the user, but it works better than the first method when the user has slow internet connection. Just to make it clear, update manager needs internet connection in second method too, because it has to still download some dependencies from the package server. Now, let's see the two extra steps of second method in more details. First extra step is to download the Samsung TV SDK extension image. Go to the same download page again and scroll down. You will see a list of platform specific extension images. Download the image according to your platform. For the second extra step, open settings in the update manager. Go to extra repository and add a new repository. You can give any name to the repository. The path of the repository will be the local path of the downloaded image. After adding the new repository, deselect the old Samsung Tizen TV SDK repository and confirm the changes. Install certificate extension and Samsung TV extensions. The progress of installation can be checked in the Progress tab. It will take some time to install all the required tools. After the installation is done, Samsung Tizen TV SDK is ready to be used. You can explore the different SDK tools either by checking installation path or with the shortcuts in the start menu or similar location in your PC. To test applications on TV and on TV emulator, we need to create and set up some certificates. In the next video, we'll see how to do it.